Hello, everybody, and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Tatum. If not, welcome back. This is Atticus. If you haven't met him already, he's my good boy, my little old wolf. If you haven't already, please consider to like and subscribe. Me and Addie will definitely appreciate it, and thank you for it. We put out 3 new episodes every week, and on Fridays we do a live stream. So if you haven't already, please consider to like and subscribe to support free yoga. Today we are going into a 15-minute wind down flow. This is a perfect flow to take every night, especially if you're like me and you lay down. Oh, thanks for the kisses. You lay down to go to bed and you just can't fall asleep because your mind starts racing or you have that little bit of burst of energy. So we're going to get some of that unwanted energy out right before we go to bed. This is 15 minutes again, super quick. I didn't use any props in this practice. I would just highly recommend changing into your pajamas, surrounding yourselves with a bunch of blankets and a bunch of pillows for added support. And then if you want to use anything else in your practice, go ahead and grab it. If not, I will meet you back here. Hello everybody and welcome to your mat. So today we're going into a quick little bedtime routine. So we're actually going to start sitting here in easy pose, and if you want to sit, if you're in your bed, wherever you are, if you want to sit on a pillow or a blanket, that's totally fine. So we're just going to all sit up nice and tall. Let's bring those shoulders right over our hips, chin up onto the horizon. And let's take 3 big breaths together. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, ha out through your mouth. Hands come down in front of us. 2 more. Inhale, big deep inhale breath. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, reach it up. Fingertips try to touch the ceiling. Exhale, hands come down. Beautiful. Take your right hand over to the right side of your mat or your bed. Left fingertips reach over to the right as well. Press through your palm and try to sit your left sitting bone into your surface. Right sitting bone is rooting down. And then your chest can begin to dip and turn towards your surface or your mat or your bed. And then this left arm is going to sweep out along in front of us. Get a nice deep stretch down that shoulder blade. Beautiful. Left hand will come up and over to the left side of your surface. Right fingertips over to the left. Nice side body stretch. Root down through your right sitting bone. Eyes can be opened or closed. And then again, squaring our torso off towards the mat. Reaching our right fingertips over and down. Getting a nice stretch down our right shoulder blade. Woo! Feels good. Reach it, and then we'll all come back. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands come to our knees. Coming into a little seated cat-cow here. Just real quick. Hands come to the front. Inhale, chest lifts, belly pulls out. And then exhale, belly pulls in, chin to chest. Flow with your own breath here. It can be big or small, fast or slow. Last round. We'll come back through center, quick little seated circle. So inhale, chest reaches forward, exhale, pulls back and around. Flowing with your own breath. Again, it's okay if you're going fast or slower than me. Switch directions. And we'll all come back through center. Let's kick our legs out in front of us. Let's reach our hands out in front of us. Interlace all 10 fingers. And then let's punch our knuckles forward. Bring that chin to chest around your spine. Like a little cat here. Stretching in between our shoulder blades. Your toes can be flexed or relaxed. Just really tuck your chin to chest and punch those knuckles forward. Get you a nice shoulder opener. Belly button is pulling in. Don't hold your breath. Continue to breathe. And then we'll come back, relax. Hands come down by our side. Press your palms into the earth. Fingertips facing towards our toes. Lifting your chest, again, like a cow. Like our seated cat-cows here. And you can drop your head back if you'd like. Coming back through center. Chin to chest. Back through center, right ear to right shoulder. Back through center, left ear to left shoulder. And then we'll gently make our way down onto our surface, our mat, our bed, our floor, wherever you are. Let's bring those knees into chest and begin to roll from side to side or rock from side to side. Eyes can be open or closed. Allow your shoulders to soften. Head is towards the floor. If you feel like those head and shoulders are lifting up off your surface, go ahead, put a blanket or a pillow underneath there. You can pull the knees away and pull them in, giving your sacrum a little massage, or even take some knee circles here. Switch directions if you're taking those knee circles. And then we'll come back to a neutral spine. Let's bend our knees, soles of the feet are on our mat. I'm going to go ahead and lift this right leg up. I'm going to keep my left knee bent. Interlace all 10 fingers or grab your blanket and put it behind your thigh here. You can allow your knee to relax. It doesn't need to be stick straight unless you want a deeper hamstring stretch, just like that. Or you can pull the knee in. Hug it into your chest and try to balance out evenly on your side so you're not rocking over to the left. If you'd like, you can maybe straighten it, bend it very gently. It's whatever you're really feeling today. Sometimes I like to keep my knee bent. Sometimes I like to keep it straight. Just depends. Each day is different and each side of your body is different. I do like to have my toes flex back towards my face, pressing through my heel for a deeper stretch down my hamstring. And then gently release. Cross your right leg over your left. Allow that knee to open up here. If you want to put a little bit of pressure there, maybe rock your hips from side to side. Very gently. Right toes are flexed back towards your face. Then we'll take our arms out wide. Take your right sole of your foot over to the left. If you want to shift your hips over to the right, you can before to make it a little bit easier to twist over to the left. And then again, shoulders and head are on the mat here. And then again, you can keep that pillow or blanket underneath there if you'd like. Feel a nice deep stretch down the right glute, the outside of your thigh here. Gaze can be up towards the sky or even over to your right hand. Allow your upper body to sink into the surface beneath you. As you soften through your jaw, maybe your eyes begin to close.
Gently come back through center, hug everything in and up. Uncross your legs, coming back to that neutral position. Draw your hips right in line with your feet and shoulders. Pick up this left leg, interlace all 10 fingers behind your thigh or just behind or your lower knee here. And then you can bend your knee or keep your legs straight. Whatever works for you, just trying to keep yourself even on the mat so you're not rocking over to the left side. If you want to flex your toes, keep a micro bend in your knee if that leg is straight. Press through your heel, breathe through the backside of your leg. Sometimes I even like to give my leg a little massage. Just whatever feels good today. Then we'll gently release. Cross your left leg over your right. Arms come wide like a T. And then if you'd like, press into your right foot. Bring your hips over to the left edge of your mat. And then gently drape your legs over to the right. Again, feeling a nice stretch down your outer left glute and your thigh. Gaze can be up towards the sky or over to your left hand. Soften your jaw, soften your shoulders. We'll gently come back through your center. You can uncross your legs, bring those hips back in line with your shoulders. Gently windshield wipe your legs from side to side. Pick those knees up and bring them into your chest. Option to stay here, taking those knee circles again, maybe giving your sacrum a nice little massage, or if you'd like, take it into a happy baby, finding some movement here, or you can stay still. When you're ready, I like to bring the soles of my feet together, knees come out wide, shift my hips from side to side just to get a little reclined, bound angle pose here. Nice little hip stretch. If that doesn't feel good, go ahead and make your way to Shavasana or take any other little pose that you'd like. Maybe legs up the wall, maybe restorative bridge. And gently make my way into Shavasana or your comfortable sleeping positions. If you want to roll over onto your belly or onto your side, go ahead and begin to make your way there. We'll take one big final breath together. So wherever you are, exhale. Take a full deep inhale, belly breath. One more sip at the top. Exhale, completely release. Letting go of any tension along with that breath. Unclench your jaw. Soften through your eyes, your neck, and your shoulders. Allow your backside body to soften and that front side body to melt down into the backside body. Releasing into your surface and allowing yourself to rest. I'm going to leave you guys here in Shavasana today. I thank you so much for flowing along with me today, and take this class as often as you'd like to wind down and get a better night's rest. Again, thank you all for flowing with me today. I will see you next time. Namaste.